Purim Sameach to all of our Lev L'Chayil friends. This upcoming holiday of Purim, Chag HaPurim, Haba Aleinu L'Tova, reminds us, Bayamim Ahem, like back in the old days, Bazman Hazeh. The Gemara says that Am Yisrael back in the days was disconnected from each other. Haman HaRasha sees that we're not connected and tells Achashverosh, King Achashverosh, Yeshno Am Echad Mefuzar U'Meforad, we're all scattered. We can't come to the same table and agree on something. We don't like each other. There's machloket all over. And Haman HaRasha takes the ring from Achashverosh to sign a decree to destroy the Jewish people wherever they are. And the Gemara says, the power of this ring, of the removal of the ring from the hand, from the finger of Achashverosh, Gdola Sarat Tabat, it's greater than all the Nevi'im that Am Yisrael ever had. The impact of this decree was so great and powerful, more than all the prophecies that we ever received. In what way? Because we were threatened. There was a threat, and our enemies wanted to kill us. And once the enemies wanted to kill us, we realized that this is the time that Esther tells Mordechai Yehudi, go gather all the Jews together. Lechnos et kol haYehudim. The key is for us to be united. Stop with the machloket. And with the machloket, sit together. Sit together because the common denominator, that we're all Jews, and we're meant to be together. And the impact of the decree, the impact of this horrible decree, happened to have an effect of a reunion of the Jewish people. And maybe that's a message for nowadays. That our enemies saw a weakness and the machloket in the Jewish people here in Israel and all around the world. And they got it, they realized, and therefore they used that moment on October 7th to attack. This is the same ring of Achashverosh that was given to Haman to try and destroy the Jewish people. And we woke up. We woke up, and instead of being poor, and instead of lose our powers and guts, and energy, we rose up to fight back and to reunite and to be together again, no matter who we are, where we're coming from, what part of Judaism, what part of culture we're coming in, and the Jewish people. We're all getting united because we have one goal, to be together, to be one complete Jewish nation. This is maybe the bracha for us, this coming Purim, to get reunited again together, to learn from the message of Purim, and when decrees and when horrible decrees happen to us, we learn the message that the power of the Jewish people is by us being united. And may the reunion of the Jewish people these days, of everybody coming and joining together, will bring Geula faster, will bring Yeshua, salvation faster, will end the war, will bring peace to the Jewish people here in the land of Israel, and a world peace to us all. B'mehera b'yameinu. Amen.